is it?
It's my toy.
It's for your muffins.
Oh, wow.
Let's go make it now.
When we're done unwrapping presents, okay, we'll make muffins.
Wow. That's cool.
Wow.
All right.
Okay.
Open another one.
No. Let's make it.
Open some more.
Let's finish opening presents and then we'll make muffins. Look, this one's from Aunt Tricia and Uncle Rodney.
You laugh at yours, but I got to wrap with two different kinds of paper. I use some scraps.
I did that with some of your stocking stuffers.
Huh?
I did that with some of your stocking stuffer stuff. I'm tired of cutting paper.
Wow.
Oh, what's this?
I don't know, you have to
Oh,
open
you
it.
have to open it. What is it?
That's my toy. Go fork. That's my fork.
Is it Dora Fork and Spoon?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, that's cool.
Those are beautiful. Say thank you, Aunt Tricia.
Give it a choose.
Thank you, Uncle Rodney.
Here.
Okay, this one's from them too.
What is it? What is it? Oh, get it out of there.
It's my zipper car.
It's a little puppy. Ask Daddy help you get out of the box. And wind it up.
Oh, wow. Let's get it out. It's a puppy. Oh, wow.
Put him on this box.
Wow.
Oh no!
Oh, he fell off.
He'll probably walk on the carpet.
That's Mommy's on.
Yep, that one's Shelby's. He's a cute puppy.
Wow.
Second sir. I hear.
Here.
Oh no!
Hold his legs and do it again. Keep winding it. Hold his legs.
Keep turning.
Keep turning. Left-handed kid.
I can't.
Okay.
Oh no, he fell down. Hey, help you.
All right.
Yay.
Open the other one.
You're stepping on a purple one. Yep, open the purple one.
Purple one. Open that one. Open that one. With the ribbon.